BM's Ultium platform. Its futuristic design is aerodynamic and modern, signaling a clean break from tradition. The RST First Edition targets up to 450 miles of range, eliminating range anxiety for most buyers. Wow Mode unleashes 754 horsepower and 785 lb-fe of torque, with 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds. Towing capacity hits 10,000 pounds with a payload of 1,300 pounds. The Multi-Flex midgate lets you extend the bed into the cab, fitting items over 9 feet long, nearly 11 with the tailgate. Inside, a 17.7-inch infotainment screen, 11-inch driver display and Super Cruise hands-free driving set a new tech standard. The Silverado EV is Chevy's bold answer to the Lightning, betting on range, versatility and next-gen features. Now for something wild, the Maserati Alfieri EV pickup concept. Imagine Italian luxury and performance in a pickup. Sleek design, Trident badge and Grand Tourer soul. Expect a tri-motor setup with over 750 horsepower, 800-volt fast charging and supercar acceleration. The interior, handcrafted leather, exotic wood and a bespoke sound system, pure luxury. The bed would be lined with teak or carbon fiber, designed for designer luggage, not gravel. It's a rolling statement piece exploring just how high-end and high-performance an electric truck can get. So why are electric pickups so compelling? Instant torque means effortless towing and sports car acceleration. Ranges are climbing, 300, 400, even 450 miles, and fast charging is getting faster. Massive touchscreens, over-the-air updates and hands-free driving tech make these trucks smarter than ever. Unique features like frunks and onboard generators add utility gas trucks can't match. And with zero tailpipe emissions, lower running costs and less maintenance, they're better for your wallet and the planet.